While Russian FM is in India, as is US climate envoy John Kerry. And he's meeting with India's Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar, and that meeting has started. The US climate envoy is on an Asia visit. Kerry is the second top Biden administration official to visit India in just the last 1 month. Joe Biden's special envoy John Kerry is holding talks with Indian Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar today. He's also expected to call on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Siddhant, what more can you tell us on John Kerry's India visit?
Well, John Kerry is on a 4-day India visit right now. Even as we speak, the other big focus is on the meeting between John Kerry and the Indian Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar. Focus will be on how Washington and New Delhi can be on the same page when it comes to dealing with the climate crisis. We know the Biden administration is very serious when it comes to dealing with the crisis, whether it is again joining the Paris Pact or whether calling on the big virtual summit of 40 leaders, including India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Prime Ministers of Bhutan and the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Pakistan, of course, hasn't been invited. This has been something that has miffed Islamabad. We know that recently the Pakistani Prime Minister was tweeting about it, how his policy, his government is pro-climate policies. But largely, if we talk about the visit will see Kerry meeting the other Indian ministers as well, meeting the Indian External Affairs Minister, the Petroleum Minister, and perhaps the Indian side will be focusing on the issues or the policies India has been putting in place to make sure that there is more clean energy here in India. We know that India is one of the top emitters of emission, the carbon emission. But if we look at the per capita emission, India is one of the lowest emitter in the world. And India is keen to balance its energy needs vis-a-vis the clean energy sources as well. India has been doing a lot in terms of solar energy. The International Solar Alliance is something that stands out in various conversations, whether it's bilateral or multilateral conversations. And at the heart of the International Solar Alliance is harnessing the power of solar energy. India has been coming up with major projects. In fact, one big project is expected to be inaugurated in the month of May in the southern state of Telangana. So largely, India will be highlighting its policies and how both countries can converge together to make sure that the global emission is reduced.
Siddhant Sibal, thank you so much for joining us with the latest on this developing story. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.